an awesome day. Today's video is this look creating from Profusion, the $5 palettes. I just wanted to try this out. This is awesome. Look at that. This is all $5 right here. And it's good. And you guys will see my review in the end. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to turn that bell so you guys can get notified when I upload. The first thing I'm going to be using is this e.l.f. primer and just put it on my face. It's so good and very moisturizing. And then I'm going to use my Ardell eyebrow thing just to line up my brows. I really like this. I haven't been using it for a while, but I tried it out again. And it looks kind of silly at first, but it worked at the end. You guys will see. So yeah, I'm just gonna brush it off with this. You know, I got this from Amazon like a long time ago. I think everyone can get this anywhere really. And I'm just gonna use this brush from BH Cosmetics and then just brush my eyebrows, so I can have that nice, you know, pigmentation. I have like a lot of acne, but it's so good. And I'm just gonna use this brush and then just, you know, comb it and stuff. And I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild correcting palette. I've been knowing how to use this now, so it's kind of easy. I've been liking it. You guys will see throughout the video like why I like it. And I'm just going all over my face because I have so many acne. And I'm just gonna use my Wet n Wild concealer and just apply the color corrector all over my face, you know, like where I put all my stuff, you know, so you guys can't see, you know, pimples, you know, because we don't want that. And I'm just gonna use my crown brush and just dab my concealer on my face and just do the same thing all, you know, all over. So yeah, the next thing I'm going to be using is the BH Cosmetics foundation. I'm just going to use this crown brush. I have like no more of the foundation because I've been using it so frequently. And then I'm just going to, you know, use it all over my face. I love this concealer so much, as you guys can tell, because it can really see that much coverage all over my face. And it was only like $8, I believe. And you guys see like there's no more pimples anymore because of this foundation. So this is like my holy grail. And then I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I love this too. And I just will use it all over my face as well, so I can have that nice, you know, looks like I don't have any spots or anything. And you guys can tell like my face looks like I didn't have no acne whatsoever. And I'm just going to use this Almay, you know, just foundation and stuff, just a little bit, and dab it on my face. And then I'm going to use my Profusion palette because it's like the main purpose of this video. And I'm just going to use this one first for my base from BH Cosmetics, because I always like to have a base whenever I do my eyeshadows. And I'm just going to do the same thing with the other eye. And then, yeah, just keep brushing. And I'm just going to use this like pinkish kind of color and then just use that all over my lids, so I can have that nice girly effect, you know, because we always want something girly. And then I just keep brushing it. Makeup artist now. Oh, yeah. I'm just going to use this color as well and then just brush it together and just like blend it and stuff like that. So I'm just going to make this look kind of a little bit lighter but not too crazy. And yeah, I'm just using this purpley. It looks like a lilac to me. But yeah, I'm just going to do that. And then I'm going to use this like maroon red-ish kind of color. It looks so nice. And my eyeballs. I should have sprayed this brush from the shadows because I feel like it'll be more better when you sprayed it, like with the mist. And yeah, I was trying to do a wing with the eyeshadows. I always want to do something different with my makeup. I feel like there's no such thing as like, you know, doing something different. And I'm just going to use this pink, like a very baby pink, with this brush, which I got from Milani's eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to put that in my inner corners and just keep brushing it off so that I can have that nice highlight, you know, because you need to have that brightness to it. And I'm going to use this kind of like color and then just go over it on my eyelids. And yeah, once I'm done, I'm going to be using this silver eyeshadow and just go over my eyes. I just do it like over in the corners right here. And yeah, it makes it look like I'm not doing too much. And then I use this gold one and do the same thing here at the inner corners. It makes it look like I'm not doing too much with my eyes when I am a little bit. But I'm trying not to make this so extra, you know what I mean? And then I use this blue one right here and then just dab it all together, so it's not too much of a blue because it's so pigmented. That's why I like it. And it's not really bad for $5. I mean, it's not that pigmented, but it's doing its job at least. And then I use this green one right here, and I use it as a cut crease, and then just like line it up. And I did the same thing with the other eyes as well. And then once I'm done doing both eyes, I use a little brush and just to mix it together, just to blend it so it's nice and, you know, nice and kind of like the smoky and stuff. And then I use this eyeshadow and then go over it under my eyes so it's nice and highlighted. And yeah, and I do the same thing with the under eyes once I'm done. So I use this color and then I just go over my eyebrows. Yeah, just like lining it up. Yeah, there you go. And I'm just using my BH Cosmetics. And then I use the gold eyeshadow and then I just go in my inner corners and stuff like that. And then, yeah, just keep doing it and dab a little bit. Not too much because having a lot's not good. And then I use my Pure Cosmetics. This is like a highlight and bronzing and blush. And I'm using the bronzing first. And I just line it up on my cheekbones and the side of my eyes. It's so cute. I love it so much. It's so good. Like, thank you, BH Cosmetics, for sending me this because I never knew about this product, like this company. So yeah, and I use the highlighting one. I use it underneath my eyelids so I can have that nice effect highlighting, you know. And I go over my nose and I use this pink one and just dab it on my cheekbones. And I do the same thing with the other one. And it looks so cute. It looks like I didn't do much, really. And then I go back to this and then just go under my jawline and all over my face. Because sometimes you always need a highlight. And I use my lip gloss, just a shimmery, because I can't find my chapstick. And I use my Ofra liquid lipstick from Ipsy. I forgot the name. I don't have it with me right now, but I use this color. It's like a purpley type of shade. I believe everyone has gotten this from Ipsy. And it looks like this. It's very pretty. And I use my black eyeliner, which I got from BH Cosmetics, just to go over my waterline. It's so pretty. Sorry, guys, my throat. And then once I'm done doing that, I go underneath my eyes so I can line it up. So I can have that nice volume. I forgot my mascara, so that's why I'm doing this a little bit. And then I use my liquid eyeliner from Almay and just line it up. I was so concentrated. I couldn't look at you guys for a minute. Sorry, guys. Because if I do, I'll mess up. So, yeah. So, I do the same thing with the other eyes as well. And just keep doing the same thing. Hey guys, so my full review on this palette while you guys were watching this look and everything, I really saw some differences. There were some that aren't that much pigmentation, but throughout the look, from what you guys see here, it shows really good for just $5. So I mean, it's not too bad. What I came up with, my wing, is not too bad. I'll do some swatches soon on this palette so you guys can see more of it. See you guys in my next video.
Yo no lo di, yo no lo